Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love reads. This is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see. In this reading, what we're going to do is we're going to ask the question, whoever it is that you're in no communication with, in no contact with, you really want to know if this person is happy without you or not, then this reading is definitely going to help you find that answer. We will also include oracle cards and the tarot as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what is happening in this connection with your specific someone. Are they happy without you? Yes or no? I feel like this person has a lot on their plate, and whatever it is that they are dealing with right now, it's not going to last long. They might be busy with a lot of burden on their shoulder right now. It can be because of their work, business, family matters, responsibilities, but yes, things going to change. So it seems like if that has been the reason why your connection has been going on and off, or kind of right now off, then this is going to change. I feel like the communication will start happening between the two of you. So let's ask if this person is happy without you, yes or no. Let's find out. Strength, Eight of Pentacles. This person is very much busy, and they get so tired by the time they get home. They don't have much to think or do right now. This person is pretty much busy in their life, so they don't have much of the feelings. They don't have much of that need to have someone right now in their life. They are pretty much on their own right now. I don't see that this person has another person in their life. I don't see that this person has a space in their life to give to any person, but they do keep themselves busy. They don't have much to think. They don't have, neither they feel like thinking about anything else other than their work, other than the goals that they have regarding their work life. So if you ask me if this person is happy without you, this person is busy. That is for sure. Whether they are happy or not, at times they do feel tired and fucked up, but yes, at the same time, it's not like they start missing you, they start feeling the need to be with you. It's more of that energy where the person is like a robot doing the things every day, and doing 9 to 5, doing the business, whatever it is. It's more like a routine life that this person is caught up into right now. So I don't think that this person has much to think where this person would have the emotion, am I happy, or am I sad, or am I what. This person doesn't think like that or feel like that at all. Let's take more cards here. The Magician, Ace of Swords, the Hermit. Underneath the deck, we do have the Queen of Swords. It seems like this person does have you at the back of their mind at times, but it's more like they don't have so much on their plate. They don't even get enough time to think about it most of the time. At the back of their mind, they do have that, okay, fine, that there is another person that they are dealing with other than this work, career, and of everything. But then this person is so caught up that they don't get enough time to think at all. I cannot emphasize enough on that phrase. They don't have much time. They are like a robot right now, doing the routine things every single day, and that's what their life is all about right now. So I feel like this person is pretty much busy with their work, so they don't think happiness, sadness, or anything around those lines. But this person is somebody definitely who gets it all. If they decide that this is what they want, they will get it all. If they decide that they want to be with you, they will get it all. If they decide to be with something, to do something else, they will be able to do that. So this person is very much practical, and once they make up their mind, nobody else in this world can stop them from having what they want. Now let's see what the oracle has to add to the read for you guys. My beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united. This person might have this fear of them losing focus from their work. If they are with you or they talk to you, deep down they are pretty much yours. Deep down they're still connected to you. Deep down they are spiritually together with you. Maybe they also kind of you might see them coming in your dreams about a lot lately as well. But at the same time, this person doesn't show much. They don't have much time. I feel like this person is really 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 they have gotten themselves so busy basically. And But yes, deep down they know that that you are going to be there for them. I don't know why this energy shows up in their energy, but that's what it is. They feel like you are not going to leave them, you're not going to go away from them. So they are just trying to, I feel like, this kind of energy usually change like sudden, like, there is going to be a sudden shift in their attitude, in their energy towards you. But right now, if you ask me if they're happy, they are okay. Like, there is nothing wrong with them around their life right now. Have faith in your dreams. It's time for you to have faith in your dreams. Whatever whatever you desire with your specific someone, you have a chance of getting that on. Now it's very important that you stay positive. This person is busy, and you have to understand them and their need to have the space so they could pursue their career goals right now. They once get done with it, it will be like, better between the two of you. But at the same time, if you ask me when will that happen, you have been waiting for them for so long. This change can come sudden. Like, it's all about how you are dealing with the delays, how you are dealing with the do you wait on for your, for this person's message? Do you wait on for this person to open up? Do you wait on for, just this and do nothing? Then it's going to be tough for you to get what you want. You have to get yourself and your focus to something else. Then only you will see some change coming from this person. Plus, if you use some affirmations, if you use some scripting technique or visualization, that too will bring you what you want with this person quick. Now let's see what the other cards have to add to the read. Isolation. This person is pretty much in isolation. Like, they don't have much in their life going on. They don't party, they don't have friends, they don't do anything but their work. Let's take more cards. Perception. I feel like, when it comes to you and your person, it seems like, you both have different perception towards different things happening in your life. You want somebody who's romantic, who's always available, who's emotionally available, who understands you, who talks to you, who spends time with you. This person wants their space because they have so much on their plate right now. So maybe that's why they are not coming forward to talk to you, because they don't think that they can take the time out for you in this connection. So you might see this person isolating from you. Maybe that could be the reason why you yourself have pulled away from this person, because this person is not giving you much. Maybe that's the reason why you guys are not talking, because they don't usually talk much, and that's something kind of, irritates you. But again, deep down, this person is all yours. They are not with any other person but just you. So what you need to do is, you need to just, either, if you want this person, it's more important for you to kind of, get yourself busy doing something else, so you don't think about this person heavily, and so you don't let that need to talk to this person become a block for you. So just make sure you are not doing any mistake there. Be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. You have to be supportive towards this person. For some of you, you could be age 45 or around that as well. For others of you, 45 number could be a significant number, or the number 9 could be a significant number as well. If you be supportive to this person, I do see the connection will evolve to something beautiful that you desire with this person. But if you don't support this person, if you don't don't understand this person, and you do have misunderstandings that maybe this person is doing so and so purposely towards you, then it will be getting tough for you to deal with this delay that you are facing right now in your life with your specific someone. So the most important thing right now would be, you understand this person and be a support that they need right now in their life. The more you're going to be supportive, the more they're going to make sure that they put their right effort into this connection. But again, since you guys are in no communication right now, wait on further communication. While you wait, make sure you stay positive. Make sure you use some affirmation, use some magical techniques to bring forth what you desire with this person. Let's take the charms down. Let's see what the charms have to add to the read. So we don't have any alphabet. We do have Queen of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. It's very important for you to work on your stability before you could get what you want with this person. There is the toxic past in the that you had with each other. It's time for you to add a lot of fun into this connection, and try to get rid of any toxicity in this connection. Try to listen to positive music, and try to stay positive around this person, around this connection. Always think and have happy thoughts around them, because that's how you will attract them the way you want. Make sure whether you're talking or whether you're not, you have to understand one thing. You have to think happy, positive thoughts about them. You have to think as if this person is dying to spend more and more time with you, and they always make sure they spend, they take their time out for you, because that's how they like it. That's how they want to maintain a healthy balance in their life around, their love and work as well. So make sure whenever you think of this person, think of the desirable thoughts, not of the thoughts that are, around the current situation. You have to think what you want to manifest with this person, so that becomes a reality. Whatever the current situation is, it seems like you guys are not talking, be that you pulled away or they pulled away. Now it's very important for you to start feeling as if start having mental conversation with this person. That too will open up the doors of communication between the two of you as well. So yeah, this pretty much is coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.